Anytime you see a 4-hour candle with no wick, price is about to reverse. Think about the normal AMD cycle of a candle. First, we see accumulation, and then we see some sort of manipulation, a high being swept, and then distribution to the downside. This is a healthy market candle. However, when price just does this and doesn't actually have any accumulation or real manipulation up top, that is an imbalance in the market, and price naturally wants to gravitate back up here. So if I see a 4-hour candle like this, I'm expecting some sort of distribution and reversal on the next candle. Of course, context matters. So let's take a real-time look at this trend here. As you can see, we're in an uptrend, but on our most recent 4-hour candle, we have absolutely no upper wick. I shouldn't even have to tell you what happens next, but lo and behold, we do indeed get that reversal, and price distributes higher, making new highs on this chart. If you still don't believe me, look at this last candle here. As you can see, it has no wick whatsoever, and I'm going to show you how to catch a trade directly toward that target. If we drop down to our lower time frames, we see that the market is starting to form a bit of a bottom. We've swept liquidity once on this low, and price does not want to make a new low. This tells me that a reversal is likely. So what I'm looking for now is a quick drop down before taking out these highs, and then an inversion back to the upside. Let's see if we get it. Here's our quick drop down with price tapping into this bullish 1-minute gap. Now what I want to see is a 180 reversal and an inversion gap. That occurs right here. This is our confirmation to go long. If our bias is correct, this should distribute to the upside based on that wickless higher time frame candle. So we're going to buy this close. We can put our stop either at the low of this displacement candle or at the low of this range, being this swing low. Next, we're just going to target our highs, and all that's left to do now is buy this close here on the 1-minute. Let's see how the trade plays out. As you can see, in just about an hour, we realized over $6,000 worth of profit using 1 mini because we understand that the market is drawing up toward an area that lacked manipulation. If you guys want a link to over a dozen free guides, just comment the word WICK, W-I-C-K, and I will send you a link in your DM for absolutely free.